Hey guys, what's up? It's Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I maintain my straight natural hair for over 2 weeks. Yes, I keep my hair straight for about like 2 to 3 weeks, depending on how I'm feeling. And my hair, you guys, stays straight the entire time. I have no problem with reverting. My hair doesn't turn back curly. It stays straight the entire 2+ weeks. This is my hair right now. It is actually, it'll be 2 weeks old tomorrow. And although it is a little bit greasy, I mean, our hair is gonna get greasy. That's just what happens. But although it is a little bit greasy, it is still like flourishing. It is still super duper straight. My edges aren't really curly. My roots aren't curly at all. They are still pretty much bone straight. And my hair is pretty much bone straight. And it still has a good amount of body considering my hair has been straightened for 2 weeks. Yeah, it's like still moving, still has all that body and volume that I like. So it's definitely holding up considering how long it's been straightened. So that is what this video is all about. It's showing you all how I keep my hair straight and maintain it overnight for over 2 weeks. I like to keep my routine pretty much as minimal as possible. I do not add any extra product in my hair for those 2 weeks. So I don't add any like serums, any moisturizing products, nothing. I keep my hair as is. My hair does stay moisturized throughout the entire 2 weeks because I make sure to put moisturizing products in my hair on day one. So after a week or two, my hair still feels super duper moisturized, shiny, all that good stuff, but my hair does not feel weighed down because I'm not adding in product every single day, you know? So yes, no product at all. And as far as what I do to my hair at night, all I do is, well, it depends. I do two different things. So first things first, I do what is most common with straight hair, which is wrapping my hair. So I would just take a big bristle brush and brush my hair opposite of my part. My part is right here, so I'm brushing it this way, opposite of the part. And I just keep wrapping. And honestly, I love wrapping my hair like after it's been a few days of wearing my hair straight because my hair starts to get a little bit more oil on it and it holds so much easier. You know, on first day, whenever you're wrapping your hair just keeps falling and you're having to rebrush it and then it falls again because it's just so much body and like so much movement. After about a few days, wrapping it is so much easier because it just stays still. It just stays still. It's like the best. And that is how my hair looks after wrapping it. And I will just take a satin scarf, this really long satin scarf. You guys can see that. And I will just put it on my head and wrap my hair up. Easy as it can be, literally. And the whole entire process takes maybe like 3 minutes. It's so easy. And I'll make sure all my hair is tucked in. So if I have some pieces hanging out, I will go ahead and just make sure it's all tucked in. And I'll wrap it in the direction that my hair is wrapped, just so everything is flowing properly. I'll also take my scarf and kind of like move it around. You guys can see. So that way I know everything is nice and like all laid in the same direction. I'll tuck this little piece in so that way no hair gets out of my scarf at night. That's the worst. It's like whenever you wake up and your hair is like out of your scarf. Ugh, the worst thing ever. And that's pretty much it. So my hair is wrapped. I sleep like this overnight. In the morning, I just take my scarf down and shake it. And then I will take my brush and just brush my hair in the direction that I want for it to fall. And then kind of just fluff your hair out, move it around, do what you want to do to it until you are satisfied. That is pretty much how it looks. and I wear it like that all day long. And that's pretty much my first way of maintaining my natural hair. For option 2, I like to go in and add some really large perm rods, the green ones. I love these because it adds a little bit of extra bump to my hair. So if my hair is ever feeling really like stringy and just too straight, I don't like super duper sleek straight hair. I just don't like it. So if my hair ever feels too straight, right now it's pretty good because I have a little bit of bump under here, but some days it'll be like too straight and I can't take it. So I'll add some of these bad boys in my hair to give my hair a little bit more lift at the root, and also add some curl towards the end of my hair. This is also super duper simple. I'll just take big chunks of my hair, and I do mean big. So I'll take a perm rod, if y'all can see that, and just roll the perm rod all the way down. And if you can see, you guys, I am rolling my hair backwards away from my face, and that helps to give more body and helps to frame your face even more in the morning. So I just do that all the way down. Snap the perm rod, and there you go. And I just do that all over my hair using really big sections of hair again. Kind of smooth it out a bit with a comb. Take my perm rod, again away from the face. That's like the #1 key when it comes to doing a perm rod set, period, but especially whenever you have straight hair. It gives your hair so much more volume. Like so. So I went ahead and added all of my perm rods, and I have 6 in my hair. So like I said, 6 to 7 perm rods is just fine depending on how long and how thick your hair is. Will of course determine how many perm rods you need to install in your hair. But for me, 6 to 7 usually works just fine. And I'll show you guys the back of my hair as well. But like I said, it looks super messy and it's not neat. It's just adding a couple of perm rods to give my hair a little bit of curl. So here's how it looks. Here's the back and the sides of my hair. I'll put my scarf on my hair, tight, pretty tight, and I'm good. Good to go. In the morning, I will just take my scarf down. I'll take my perm rods out. And usually with this routine, I won't use a brush like I do whenever I wrap my hair. I'll just finger comb it. So I will just kind of fluff my hair out, shake it a bit, do all that good stuff. But I don't want to brush it because I don't want to brush out the curls that I did get overnight out. And of course, I kept these in my hair for like 5 seconds while I'm recording it for you guys. But typically, my hair is much curlier in the morning because that's like 8 hours of my perm rods being in my hair. So keep that in mind. This actually works so much better whenever you actually sleep in them. But for video's sake, I'm just showing y'all and you guys get the drift of how it'll look. So I fluff it out, do all that shaking, all that good stuff, and I am good to go and off to work in the morning. All that takes a couple of minutes at night, a couple of minutes in the morning, and I'm good, you guys. And that lasts me for 2 to 3 weeks. So it definitely works. Try it out. Let me know what you guys think. And of course, I want to hear all you guys' feedback, thoughts, comments, and what you do to keep your natural hair straight. So go ahead and comment all that down below. As always, I love you guys. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.